Welcome to the 60-second update with the Royal Air Force. The Cosford Airshow entertained the crowds with an amazing display, including the RAF Falcon parachute display team, the Red Arrows, F-35s and pipes and drums. On Exercise Arctic Challenge, RAF Typhoons and a Voyager completed a 2-week combat exercise in Sweden alongside over 150 aircraft from 14 different nations. RAF controllers from 78 Squadron have coordinated and executed the King's Birthday Flypast, which involved more than 70 aircraft over Buckingham Palace. The RAF said goodbye to the C-130 Hercules last week after 56 years on global operations, with a special farewell flight around Britain. The Hercules is being replaced by the new state-of-the-art Atlas C-1. That's everything for this week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.